Welcome to Sunschool. Okay, today I'm going to help my daughter build a balloon rocket. And we got this package from the local library. It's like a little craft project. They call it a S.T.E.A.M project that children can do at home. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so this is the little S.T.E.A.M kit we got from the library for the month of July. And S.T.E.A.M stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. Okay, so here's what comes inside of the kit. A balloon, a straw, 5 feet of string, and let's see, what else? Oh, and you know what I realized? According to the picture here, you're going to need some clear tape. So I had to get that myself, but this is everything that comes in the kit. Okay, the first step is you have to tie the string of the 5-foot string to a doorknob. And since we're outside, we're going to tie it to this umbrella stand. Great. Okay, the second step is we need to feed the string down through the straw. And so getting the help of Big Brother. And you know what? A helpful tip is to make sure that you wet the tip of the string with some water to make it weighted a little bit, and that helps to bring the string down through the straw. Okay, so the next step we were supposed to do was to blow up the balloon, which Bro did. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to tape the balloon to the actual straw there. Okay, so sweetheart, do you want to do that? Did you tape it on there already? Huh?
Yes, it did.
You taped it under there? Let me check. Let's see. Bro, can you lift up the balloon so we can see if it's taped? Oh, that's good. So see how it's on the balloon? It's attached to the straw. So that's perfect. Great job, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have Daddy's help too. But what we're going to do, so when we blew up the balloon, we weren't supposed to tie it off. So now, to make the rocket go, Chelsea's going to let the rocket go. It's going to ride along this string, and we're going to see it shoot. Okay, so Chelsea, on a count of 3, you ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Let that rocket go. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. Let's try it again.